Hello, my name is Jay Seifert, and I've owned a business in the St. Louis area for about 14 years. Was looking kind of for a new challenge and have been interested in real estate for several years. I was connected with David Dodge through a mutual friend of ours, and I just wanted to make sure I was doing things right and also spending my time efficiently doing the things that I should be doing. At this point, I've worked with David for about 6 months, and I can say with all honesty that it's been beyond my expectations. We spent time sitting down, learning formulas, learning numbers, and then spent some time out in the field viewing homes and potential deals. He's introduced me to so many online tools that I currently use and apps that make things a lot easier and more efficient. I've learned the difference between flipping, renting, and wholesaling, and when one makes sense over the other. My first house was a joint venture actually with David that we secured in February, and it is currently in the process of being renovated right now. I'm really enjoying the process so far, and I'm very fortunate to have David as my coach. He has seriously gone above and beyond my expectations, and we've actually become friends throughout this process. I would say his biggest attributes are his energy and enthusiasm, which are contagious, and of course his knowledge of the real estate business. And I would highly recommend, if anyone is interested in learning more about real estate and working with a coach, that they invest their time into talking with David, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed.